20 Topic to Personal Finance: How to Save, Spend, and Think Rationally About Money. Big Think: The Power of Budgeting, Creating a Financial Plan for Success, Understanding Your Money, Mindset, Overcoming Psychological Barriers to Financial Health, Emergency Funds. 1. Why Every Financial Plan Needs a Safety Net, Investing Basics, Building Wealth for the Future, Debt Management Strategies, Breaking Free from Financial Burdens, Frugal Living, Maximizing Savings Without Sacrificing Quality of Life, The Art of Negotiation, Saving Money on Purchases and Bills, Automating Your Finances, Streamlining Savings and Payments, Financial Independence, Retire Early, FIRE, Is It Achievable and How to Get There, Mindful Spending, Making Conscious Choices to Align with Financial Goals, Tax Planning, Maximizing Returns and Minimizing Liabilities, Side Hustles and Passive Income Streams, Supplementing Your Earnings, Planning for Major Expenses, Strategies for Affording Big Purchases, Teaching Kids About Money, Instilling Financial Literacy from a Young Age, Navigating Life, Transitions, How to Adjust Your Financial Plan, Accordingly Protecting Your Assets, Insurance Essentials for Peace of Mind, The Psychology of Saving, Behavioral Economics and its Implications for Personal Finance, Philanthropy and Giving Back, Balancing Financial Goals with Social Responsibility, Financial Wellness, Achieving Balance and Happiness, Beyond Wealth Accumulation, Long-Term Financial Planning, Strategies for Retirement and Legacy Building.